Hello everyone, my name's Cameron and I'm responsible for digital marketing here at Remous Print. And today I've got a really quick, brief tutorial video just showing you how to use our online store. So here it is, here's the homepage of our store. It's called remousonline.com, so you can type that into the URL bar or into a search engine to find us. And effectively we've set this up because we thought it would be a good idea to create an option for our customers to buy social distancing signage quickly and easily without having to have previously set up an account with us or anything like that. So we've produced a suite of floor stickers, banners and posters, and here's a few examples of those now. But here's the home page, and what you're going to do is go to Store and Social Distancing Store, and that will bring you up just the social distancing products. Here they are. We've got, at the moment, we've just got our floor stickers in, but banners and posters will be added shortly. And so choose the ones you like. We've got footprint stickers or just general keep social distance and keep 2 meters apart floor strips. These seem to be a popular option for our customers at the moment. So just press on the one that you'd prefer. These are coming in at £5 per unit plus VAT. And choose the quantity you'd like. Obviously, this may require you to measure out how much floor space you have to get a precise number. You can then add those to your basket, which will be up here. Just going to view basket, because I believe I have something in there left over from earlier. So I've now got 20 of those, which isn't an issue. And from here we can then check out. So you just press on checkout here. Just a very simple transaction procedure like you would on any other website effectively. So yeah, like I said, you didn't need an account with us before in order to purchase from us, but we do ask you to set up an account when going through the purchase process, and of course we'll take your billing and delivery information. And just something I'd like to add is of course that if you are in the local DT9 or surrounding areas, we have put an option there for free collection from us, if that's something you'd like to do. Otherwise there will be postage charges which will be explained once you get through to that process of the payment. And there we are. So that was just a really quick video, like I said, just showing you how to use our new online store. So thank you very much for listening.